What's up guys, welcome to my blog. No wait, hi guys, welcome to my blog. So today it is raining very heavily and we are in Vancouver, which is also nicknamed as Raincourt. However, this place is known for the best drivers in the world. On an average, while I drive for Uber every day, I come across accidents every day on an average, minimum 2 or maybe sometimes 3, depending on the time of the day and how busy it is. Now, the reason why I said the best drivers in the world, because they, even though the rules and regulations are pretty much sorted out, like people are, all they have to do is just follow the rules and regulations of the traffic, but they own the roads over here. The people think that they own the roads and they will drive however they want. They have this Michael Schumacher tendency that they want to drive as fast as they can. Now guys, in this whole traffic, it is very impossible to go too far. Max to max, you might only cut down like 1 or 2 minutes, not more than that. So here we are in rush hour. I will turn you around and show you. Now we are driving on the Oak Bridge, going in from Richmond to Vancouver. As you can see, the traffic is very bad, but we are going to get off this road. Fascinating thing is that this city does not have enough population, but yet the traffic is bad. Now I come from a city called Mumbai Mary John, and the traffic is super crazy. Now people over here think that just because they got stuck in traffic, they have the rights to cut people off and do race driving. For people like them, I would like to take them to Mumbai to make them humble. And this customer is chit-chatting with her friend, waiting for her. Hello madam, the ride has arrived. Man, it's difficult to walk in this cold rain. I miss the rain of India. I can get wet in it and no problem. Hello Chloe.
How are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
So we are going to Sir Winston Churchill Secondary School.
Yeah.
Wait a second. At this time, people leave from school. And
I'm
you are
dance
going
practice.
to... Oh, you have dance practice.
Yeah.
I was wondering, how are you going in the opposite direction? So what style of dance do you do?
I do hip hop.
Ooh, nice. You do cutting and tutting?
Oh yeah, I try. It's hard for me.
Just go with the flow.
You're pretty good.
I used to dance when I was a kid.
Oh, nice.
I mean, most of the people from India know how to dance.
Oh yeah. Very good.
So how long is your dance class?
Today I think it's about 2 hours.
Oh nice, not bad. Do you guys go for dance competitions and stuff?
Yes. We compete with like other schools in Vancouver.
Oh nice. It's fun, yeah?
Yeah, it is fun.
Did you watch this America Got Talent?
Oh, I haven't. I've seen clips of it. I haven't watched it though.
Did you see that dance group that had come from India? They used to do that acrobatic hip hop style
That
dance.
sounds cool though. Acro.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's also one form of hip hop, but they kind of improvised it. So your school, does it have an entrance on Laurel Street?
I'm pretty sure, yeah. It's quite big.
But your entrance is on Heather, right?
Yes.
Okay. Leaving from school and going home. Hence, this time of the day, it is too much traffic because people are leaving from work and the school kids going home. So you will expect this rush hour traffic all over the city. Yes, I drive every day. I know. Now we are picking up another person from the same school but different entrance. Now we have to go all the way around to pick up that person. Safety measures need to be met. Tim Hortons Zindabad, my go-to coffee place. When I'm in need that talab of coffee, I go to Tim Hortons. My wife doesn't consider Tim Hortons coffee that great, but since I've been consuming it for so long, I'm got used to it. I'm addicted to the Tim Hortons coffee. Addiction, nasha hai wo, nasha. So guys, I'll be incorporating some, things that people need to understand. When you're taking a ride, do complete shoulder check to check if there is anyone crossing around, and then take a ride. It is taught to many people over here, but they don't follow it, and that is why people get into an accident. आता उल्टा क्या निकल रहा है? ऐसा जाने का है ना? कौन है भाई? मैं क्या करूँगा? ये गाड़ी पहले आया है, इसको उल्टा जाने का है. ये उल्टा वो चाचा उल्टा लगाया गाड़ी. Hello Richard, good afternoon. We are going to 7663 Yukon Street, right? Thank you. काय झालं बाबा? तुम्हाला असं सही है ना? So guys, we picked up a boy with his girlfriend from the secondary high school. Now let's go back in the days when I was growing up. There was nothing called as boyfriend girlfriend because I was in a boys school, and the girls, they had a separate school. They used to call it the convent school. Now, in order to see my crush, I had to go all the way to the bus stop and wait when she will come, and I will just get a glimpse of her and be happy. Today's day, now I looked at them and I'm like, damn, why didn't I have that kind of childhood? Literally, like, they were doing that chumachati in the car, I know I get to see all these things while I'm driving, but I just ignore it. But I thought I'll just share with you some things that takes me back in time and rethink how my childhood went. I'm not complaining about my childhood, but in future when my son has a girlfriend at a young age like this, going to school and having a girlfriend, I will be low-key jealous of him, because I'll be like, Sala, I was not able to have a girlfriend at your age and you are bloody getting a girlfriend. Good for you. I hope you break up. I shouldn't be saying this, but that would be low-key jealousy.